So I was looking for some of the frameworks for building agents, and I happened to find E framework from Vercel. So basically, they allow you to build agent with the help of their own instruction.md file, and we get to choose our own model and also get to add skills, and finally we can give it some data for which that agent would work, right? So pretty much same flow. You can add your own stack as well, and also you get to delegate some of the tasks to sub agents as well, right? So this is the framework to use if you are trying to build agents, and on front end you wish to use, say, Vue, React, Next.js, like frameworks. And here you can see we will start with making use of one of the setup script, right? This is for humans and this is for agent. So considering we are letting everything on anti-gravity IDE, so I would basically copy this link for framework to be used in anti-gravity. So I have this concept for FTCs, food data, right? So I want to create the agent to access this particular API and get to collect the nutritional value and calorie data out of the API, right? So what I can do is I can register to this FTC. So my goal is basically to give the data specific to API key, also the API guide, and also the endpoints, so that we can make the request. I also asked one prompt for usage of Vercel Eve from Gemini in Google's AI mode, and it has given me the direction towards instruction MD and our other agentic help. So this is the data I'm going to feed to anti-gravity, right? First thing is I'm going to check if I have my own directory, and here on the right hand side you can see I have option for adding that particular prompt. So let me show you the prompt. So create an agent with the help of Eve framework from Vercel, and for this particular agent we collect the food nutritional value or food nutritional data and calorie data, and then serve through agents when asked for query. Can select the stack accordingly, and below you would find docs, references, and API key to FTC APIs on food data, right? Also we have to give it a lot of data from, let's say, Eve framework, right? Then we also have to give the docs, right? Next is we have to give the API guide, right? And then we have to give it the license specific issues as well, but same link is there, and endpoints are also here, and here we will also say the FTC API key is here, right? So apart from that, you can see instruction MD should contain the following prompt for agent, right? Now, like I mentioned, I earlier made similar prompt and given to Google so that I could get this particular agent identity, its rules and its identity, right? So I will pass that up, and here you can see this is the identity, this is the rule, and then we will also take a look at the part like, say, what it should contain, what it should make query for. And also you can see we have to give agent specific information, right? So we will say agent related information and model is as follows, right? So we use open router API, and we also have to select the model. So we'll mention and model is as given below, right? So here we will also search for open router and we will select the model, right? We will select text here specifically, and from low to high we will select that. Here you can see some of the new models like Coherce, North Minicode, Nix, AGI. These are some decent. Make sure triple digit model is selected or something like Owl Alpha. So it all depends on your choice, but I personally would go for something like Owl Alpha or Nix AGI. So we will select that, and here we can copy this particular model, right? And we will come back here. So we will say model is this, right? So Nix AGI, and we will also add open router API key. So these things we will add, and here you can see FDC API we will also give at the top, right? And also the data specific to agents here, and I will add this below our FDC key, right? So these two details you have to fill up, then you add your instruction MD, and finally the reference. Make sure to go through the reference before you build an agent, right? So that's pretty much it. So additionally, I think we also mention no dark mode, no class morphism, use .env file, and do not use API key in docs or readme, and that is pretty much it. So we will at the end say that would help you make query for, let's say, food specific nutrition data back to you, right? So that's pretty much it for the agent. Now we will send the prompt and see how that goes. So here you can see it has created the implementation plan. So now I can basically use this workflow to finally get the agent I want, right? So it is also using the open router key and this particular model that I have mentioned, right? So I added the required references for open router before I can update the implementation plan and finally execute it, right? So at the end I asked whether it built any front end for the project or not, and it told me that it has created this particular framework of Eve as well as the FTC, and collectively that is hosted on front end at localhost 3000, right? So what I will do is basically I will go to this particular link and open it in browser. So here it looks something like this agent, right? So we created an agent with the help of Eve framework and this open router API, right? And also we used FTC for the data, right? For example, there are 4 pre-built queries for you to try out. Let's see how many calories are in 250 gram of chicken, as well as something like compare brown rice versus quinoa, right? So one of these we can try out, and if we make that query it should connect to API and get the output. So here you can see it made the request and also got the output, right? How many calories in chicken, and here you can see using the most generic style option return for chicken calories, protein, carbohydrates, fat, and standard serving size, along with how many for 4 250 gram of chicken contains 430 calories, right? Now you can also get other queries as well, so you can go back and make different query. So our goal was basically to create this exact agent with the help of Eve framework. Also Next.js is used, and FDC data for calorie, and finally we also used open router key and model from the free set of models on open router.